We'd like to welcome you to BeMoreNews.com, the news before the news, where we uncover the truth. It's a few minutes to 7 here Wednesday night. This is what the Blizzard of 2010 looks like. We have seen some emergency medical vehicles out and about. Fire truck over on Fremont Avenue. Here's an ambulance right here on Pennsylvania Avenue. Well, this main thoroughfare is drivable. Side streets, very, very bad. Baltimore's finest. Again, we're at the Avenue Market, Pennsylvania and Lawrence. And this is what it looks like. You see the snow drifts, how high they are in places. Well over 3 feet has to be. Keep watching BeMoreNews.com, the news before the news, where we uncover the truth.